Hello friends, myself Dr. D.D. Khairnar, Professor and Head of MBA Department, MEP's KBTCO in Nashik. Today we want to elaborate the transportation problem, which is one of the operation research technique for reducing the cost of operation. The main objective of transportation problem is to minimize the transportation cost by identifying the economical path or route from manufacturing source to a consumption center. The basic requirement of solving the transportation problem is that the problem should be balanced. If the problem is unbalanced, then convert it into balance by adding one of the dummy source of column or row and then proceed for solving the problem. Transportation problem is a special kind of linear programming problem in which goods are transported from a set of sources to a set of destinations subject to the supply and demand of the sources and destinations respectively, such that the total cost of transportation is minimized. Generally, there are two types. The first type is balanced transportation problem, where supply is equal to demand. Second type is unbalanced transportation problem, where supply is not equal to the demand. In time of solving transportation problem, generally there are two methods or two steps. The first one is finding the initial feasible solution, and second one is finding the optimization. I have quote here one structure of transportation problem. There are three sources, 1, 2, 3. Each source have a respective capacity, as well as there are three destinations having respective demands. The total supply is also 1000 and total demand is also 1000. Therefore, whatever structure is given, this structure is a balanced structure. So we can solve the problem likewise. For the purpose of solving transportation problem, there are three techniques. The first technique is northwest corner cell method. Second, least cost cell method. Third, VAM method, Wegel's approximation method. First of all, we are going to see the northwest corner cell method. For that purpose, I have considered here one of the problem having three plants and three warehouses. The respective capacity is given, the respective demand is given, and as well as the respective cost is also given. Transportation cost is also given. Right now, whatever information is given, from that information, I have prepared here a proper transportation table. There are three plants, three warehouses, the respective transportation cost is given, the supply is given, as well as demand is given, and the total supply is 100, total demand is also 100. Therefore, supply is equal to demand, means this problem is balanced. So we can solve the problem by transportation method. So right now we want to solve this problem by north-west corner cell method. So for that purpose, this is our north side, this is the west side. So for this particular table, this is our northwest corner cell. The demand of this cell is 45 and supply is 30. So we are going to put here minimum amount, that is 30. So we have finished this 30. The balance is 0. So in future, that in this two cells, because in this row there are two cells, in future in these two cells we are not going to allot any single unit. Therefore, I am going to cross out these two cells. I am concerned with this demand side. We have fulfilled the 30. So 45 minus 30, the balance is 15. So this is the first iteration. Then go for the second iteration. So whatever remaining table is we have. So northwest corner cell for this table is this one. This cell is the northwest corner cell, and demand of this cell is 15 and the capacity is 40. So we are going to put here minimum amount, that is 15. So we have finished this 15, the balance is 0. So in future we are not going to allot in a single unit in this cell. Therefore, I am going to cross out this cell, and the row wise side, this balance is 25. Then only 4 sales are remaining, and within these 4 sales, this is our northwest corner sale. Demand of this sale is 35 and available capacity is 25. So put here minimum amount, that is 25. So I have put here 25. Finish. So balance is 0. Now here balance is 10. So I'm going to cross out this sale because in future we are not going to allow any single unit in this sale. Now only 2 sales are remaining. This is right now, this is our northwest corner sale. The demand of this sale is 10 and capacity is 30. So put here minimum amount, that is 10. So I have put here 10. So finish 0. Here balance is 20. Right now only 1 sale is remaining, that is our northwest corner sale. So demand of that sale is 20 and capacity also 20. So put here 20. I am going to put here 20. So we have finished. This balance is 0. Also finish. Balance is 0. So this is our final allotment of the transportation table. Now calculate the minimum cost of transportation. Therefore, total cost is equal to, in first sale we have allotted 30 sales and the cost is 13. So 30 into 13 plus, in second row we have allotted 15 units and the respective cost is 14 plus, in next cell 25, cost is 16 plus, in third row we have allotted 10 units, respective cost is 10 plus, in next cell 20 units, cost is 12 and total is 1,340 rupees. So this is a final answer by northwest corner sale method. So we have finished here the transportation problem. So next time we will see the next technique. Thank you.